Dear students, today I am going to explain chapter 12, Edison. Edison was one of the great scientists. So in this chapter it is given here about his inventions and his brief story. शाम होते ही गृहिणियाँ एक बटन दबाती हैं और घर रोशनी से भर जाता है. During the evening time, the grynia, the housewives, ladies, those who they work in the house, whenever they switch button, that electric button, then the house, it becomes full of light. चौकीदार एक बटन दबाता है और सड़कें तथा गलियां रोशनी से जगमगा उठती है. चौकीदार, the guard, when they switch on, then the road and the streets all they shine with the light, that light which comes from the bulb. एक बटन दबाते ही सिनेमा हॉल का पर्दा चमकने लगता है. And then in a cinema hall, when the button is on, then the screen of the cinema hall it becomes shine. क्या आपने कभी सोचा कि एक बटन दबाते ही इतनी रोशनी कैसे आती है? Have you ever think that when we switch on, then lots of light from where it comes? जो अंधकार को निगल जाती है, which swells the darkness. जी हाँ, आपने सही सोचा कि ये विद्युत बल्ब से उत्पन्न होती है. Yes, you are right. What you thought, that is correct. And that light, it is produced by विद्युत bulb, electric bulb. लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं कि बल्ब का आविष्कार किसने किया? But do you know who has invented the bulb? आविष्कार, invention. बल्ब का आविष्कार एडिसन नामक महान वैज्ञानिक ने किया था. The bulb, the electric bulb was invented by the great scientist Edison. एडिसन का पूरा नाम थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन था. एडिसन्स फुल नेम was थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन. इनका जन्म 11 फरवरी 1847 में अमेरिका के ओहियो प्रांत के मिलान नगर में हुआ था. एडिसन was born on 11th February 1847 in America. In America there is a province Ohio and the town Milan. So he was born in the Milan of Ohio province, USA. एडिसन बचपन से ही बहुत जिज्ञासु और क्रियाशील बालक था. एडिसन from childhood he was too curious and active boy. उसके प्रश्नों का लोग प्रायः संतोषजनक उत्तर नहीं दे पाते थे. Whatever question was asked by him to the others, then the people they were not giving satisfactory answer to him. कई बार अपने इन्हीं प्रश्नों और जिज्ञासाओं के कारण उसे दंडित भी होना पड़ता था. कई बार, so many times, because of asking this kind of questions and his curiousness about the different things, so he was getting the punishment also. Because the people they were not giving satisfactory answer, they were not satisfied with these questions. एक दिन बालक एडिसन घर के आंगन में बैठा बिस्कुट खा रहा था. One day the child Edison, he was sitting in the courtyard of the house and eating the biscuits. कि एक चिड़िया आई और उसका पसंदीदा बिस्कुट लेकर उड़ गई. And then when he was eating the biscuit, at the same time a bird came and his favorite biscuit has taken and fly away. बालक एडिसन उसके पीछे दौड़ा, परंतु तब तक चिड़िया हवा में बहुत ऊपर उड़ चुकी थी. When the bird has taken his biscuit and flew away, then Edison he ran behind him, but he could not catch him, and then bird has flown to the air. अब तो जिज्ञासु बालक के मस्तिष्क में एक नई जिज्ञासा कर गई. And then the child who was curious to know, in his mind he got new idea. वह सोचने लगा कि यह पक्षी कैसे उड़ जाते हैं. The child Edison he was thinking. He has started to think that this bird how they can fly. हम क्यों नहीं? And then if birds can fly, then why we not? बालक एडिसन अपने पिता के पास पहुंचा, परंतु पिता व्यस्तता के कारण जिज्ञासा शांत नहीं कर पाए. And after that, child Edison he went near to his father, but since his father was so busy, so he could not calm his curiosity. तो बालक ने स्वयं उसका हल खोजने की ठानी. And then the child by himself he planned to get the solution. और अध्ययनरत हो गया. And then he started to study. बहुत खोज के बाद वह इस निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचा कि पक्षी कीड़े मकोड़े खाते हैं, इसलिए ये उड़ सकते हैं. After long research, he came to the solution that the birds they are eating the insects and the spiders, that's why they are flying. वैज्ञानिक बालक एडिसन ने अपनी इस खोज की परख करने की सोची. And then the scientist child Edison he thought to do that solution what he got about the spiders and insects and spiders. उसने अपनी नौकरानी की बेटी को बहुत समझा बुझाकर इस प्रयोग के लिए मनाया. And then the scientist the child उसने अपनी नौकरानी की बेटी को बहुत समझा बुझाकर इस प्रयोग के लिए मनाया. And then he made understand to daughter of his servants, maid servants. तब बालक एडिसन उस लड़की को लेकर अपने घर के भूतल बेसमेंट में स्थित अपनी प्रयोगशाला पहुंचा. And then the child Edison with that girl he went to the basement of his house, where was his laboratory, जहां उसका अधिकांश समय अपनी जिज्ञासाओं को पूर्ण करने में बीता था. Where he was spending his time for his experiments. एडिसन ने बहुत से छोटे छोटे कीड़े मकोड़े इकट्ठे किए. एडिसन he has collected that lots of the small insects and spiders, और पीस कर उनका एक घोल तैयार किया. And then पीस कर he made a solution of that insects and spiders. एडिसन ने वह घोल उस लड़की को पिलाकर कहा. And then Edison he gave the solution to the girl and he told her to drink that one and told that देखो मेरे घोल का असर. And then you see the effect of my solution. अब तुम थोड़ी देर में पक्षियों की तरह आकाश में उड़ोगी. Now in few moments you will fly like birds in the sky. काफ़ी देर बाद भी लड़की तो नहीं उड़ पाई, लेकिन उसका पेट दर्द करने लगा. After a long time also, that girl she could not fly, but she got the stomachache. फिर क्या था? माँ ने एडिसन को बहुत खरी खोटी सुनाई, उसे दंडित कर रात का खाना भी नहीं दिया. Then his mother has scolded him and then given punishment also As a punishment, she did not give that dinner to him. एडिसन ने ऐसे ही कई प्रयोग और जिज्ञासाओं को स्कूल के अध्यापक के समक्ष रखा. Then Edison, like that, he has done the experiments, and then whatever he has the curiosity to know, those things he kept in front of the teacher. तो उन्होंने उसे मंद बुद्धि घोषित कर स्कूल से निकाल दिया. And then his teacher, they told him that you are the feeble-minded, and then he was sent out from the school. तब माता पिता ने एडिसन की शिक्षा दीक्षा घर पर ही करने का निश्चय किया. And then his parents, they decided to give his education at home itself. एडिसन की प्रयोग में अत्यधिक रुचि देख पिता ने एक दिन उसे एक वैज्ञानिक प्रयोग की किताब दी. His father, he saw that Edison has lots of interest in experiment. So one day, his father, he bought a experiment book and then given to him. उस किताब ने एडिसन के जीवन की दिशा ही बदल दी. And then that book has changed the direction of his life. अब उसके प्रयोग वैज्ञानिक होने लगे. And then whatever experiment he was doing, and then it was scientific experiment. That means he was getting some solutions from the experiment. बड़े होकर एडिसन ने संसार को विद्युत से उत्पन्न रोशनी देने की ठानी. And then he decided when he will grow, then one day he will give the light which is produced by the electricity. So he decided to give the light to the whole world. इसके लिए वह प्रयोगशाला में अपने सहायकों के साथ दिन रात जुटे रहे. And then to give the light to the whole world which is produced by electricity, with his helpers, with his assistant, he started to work day and night in his experiment. जिस दिन एडिसन अपने इस प्रयोग में सफल हुए, उन्होंने अपने घर एक दावत दी. And then when Edison he got success in his experiment, then he gave a party in his house. ज्यों ही शहरों से पधारे लोग स्टेशन पर उतरे, तो शहर से प्रयोगशाला तक का मार्ग बिजली के लट्टुओं से जगमगा रहा था. When the people they came from the town to his place, and then they saw that from town to his laboratory, the way, the road, it was full of lights. यह दृश्य देखकर सब अचंभित हो उठे. The people, those who they came from the town, where they saw that scene, then all they were surprised. आगे चलकर एडिसन ने अनेक आविष्कार किए. And then scientist Edison, he has done lots of inventions, और संसार के समक्ष महान वैज्ञानिक के रूप में आए. And then in front of the world he became the great scientist.